What's the meaning of club class? Club class. Club class.
Club class. Club class. Club class refers to a luxurious and premium level of service offered by airlines, typically in the business class cabin. This class usually provides passengers with extra legroom, wider seats that recline into a fully flat bed, enhanced dining options, premium amenities such as noise-canceling headphones and skincare products, and priority check-in and boarding. The goal is to provide a more comfortable and relaxing travel experience for discerning customers who are willing to pay a premium for it. Overall, club class is meant to provide a superior level of service and luxury compared to economy or even regular business class.